spread a disease in the human body. Second one, through air I am creating measles disease in the human body. Through air or contact body. Fourth one, through air I am creating TB disease in the human body. Second one, through water I am creating. Third one, cholera in the human body. Hi.